Hey there, Aura Devs, what's up? If you're watching this video, then probably you have some passion to learn coding in 2026. So, starting your coding journey in 2026 is nothing like it was 5 years ago. Today, I'll be talking about the 2026 roadmap for developers that I would follow if I start over in 2026. First, we will be seeing that where we should actually start, what will be the starting point of our journey. Next, we will be seeing that what are the mistakes that so many developers earlier made, which you guys should avoid. Then, most important, choosing the right tech stack, choosing which language, which technologies will suit you the best. And at last, the most important secret or a tip. Moving on to our part 1, which is where to start. First of all, choose a language according to your skills or even your interest and just start practicing it. It may be Python, JavaScript, C++, Java, TypeScript, or any other language. And another thing to keep in mind is master logic over syntax, because you should be focusing on solving the problem, not just writing lines of code. In the past, we spent weeks learning how to write a perfect for loop in Java. In 2026, AI writes the loop for you. Your real job is to understand the logic behind that piece of code. Moving towards our part 2, let's talk about the traps that kill 99% of beginner developers. There is a famous thing known as tutorial hell. This is one of the biggest reasons new developers fails to excel in their journey. Okay, so suppose this is you, okay, and you started learning something and watching, long tutorials. Seems good actually. But the worst part is that you are actually just watching and not really doing or practicing something about what you learn. This thing takes you into the tutorial hell, which is actually risky if you're just starting your development journey. Another thing is the memorization trap. This is 2026. We don't memorize each and everything. Knowing what to ask the AI is far more valuable than knowing every library by heart. Another biggest problem is the fear of AI. Most of the people nowadays think that AI will take their job, but that's not the reality. AI will never take your job. The truth is, a person using AI effectively and efficiently will most likely replace the one who is not using AI in their daily tasks. Moving on to another important part, which is choosing the right tech stack for your journey. I'll be talking about the top 5 languages according to me you can start learning in 2026. Number 1 here is Python, the king of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python got a massive library supported, includes the libraries for machine learning, data science, image processing, and a lot more. Most important, it is really easy to learn, like you're learning a simple English language. It also got a huge community support, and it is versatile, and it has like web development, scripting, data analysis, machine learning, all in one place. Number 2 is another demanding language, which is TypeScript. It is type safe, means it can identify bugs when you're writing the code, which is really helpful when making big projects. It is the industry standard. Frameworks like React, Next.js, or Angular now prefer TypeScript. It is scalable, better than JavaScript for big enterprise level applications, and the full stack power. Using it with Node.js, you can write both front-end and back-end in a single language. My third pick is C++. Yes, you heard right. The software engineering foundation, C++. Most important language for game developers. Either it's Unreal Engine or any high-end graphics, nothing matches the level of C++. In competitive programming, solving DSA problems using C++ is really fast. The resource control. When we need direct hardware control like drivers or embedded systems, C++ is the king. You get to learn more deeply about memory management and computer architecture. My fourth pick is Golang, the cloud specialist. Tools like Docker and Kubernetes is written in Golang. Its core routines features handle so many tasks efficiently with minimal RAM usage. Its code is minimalist and readable. Compilation is really fast even for big projects. And at last, Java, the enterprise titan. The most important advantage is that Java is platform independent. Because Java runs on Java Virtual Machine (JVM), the same code can run on Windows laptop, a Linux server, or even a high-end mainframe hardware. It is also famous for its robust security features. That's why it is like big giants like Amazon, Netflix, eBay are built on Java. The another important thing, modern concurrency. Java can now handle millions of concurrent tasks with very little RAM. Now coming to our most interesting part, the Aura tip, which is basically the 2026 AI powered stack that is going to make you stand out in a crowd. To be a top tier developer, you need to stop coding alone. You need to become an AI orchestrator. The first magic tool is your code editor, Cursor AI. It's actually an AI native IDE. It knows your whole project. Use it to refactor and debug in real time. The next tool in the list is for helping you clear your logic. That is Claude AI. For deep logic and complex architecture questions, it is your best partner. This one is also helpful for doing research work. That is Perplexity AI. It gives you direct answers from documentation with sources, saving you a lot of your research time. And at last, for making interfaces, there is VODev. For front end, don't just waste hours on CSS. Prompt your UI, then refine it. That's it for today, Aura Devs. If this video helped you by any means, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you later, future devs.